Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find cost of living any city in the world. I am providing you detailed demonstration, and this video is very important if you are doing some another country study, work or any other task and you find out the information what exactly cost of living in this particular XYZ city or XYZ country. So you use one platform and solve your problem very easily. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here Google and type here Numbeo, enter, and the first link is display here. Look at this cost of living related website is this. I'm putting this link in same video description. You just simply click here. This is a Numbeo website is there, and here one of the most important website I saw ever for the cost of living point of view. They are providing detailed demonstration like a cost of living, current city by city, what exactly price of apartment, milk or Pepsi or any other small things, how many countries are available on that particular list. So n number of countries are available, more or less all countries they cover in the world. So simply I select here in Denmark. In the Denmark, like the approximately you went sometimes in restaurant, so like you spend like 130 krona and you eat full meal as a single person, meal for 2 Pepsi, middle range restaurant, 3 courses, 600 euro, and like a McDonald's combo meal like a 75 krona accordingly, like a 75 krona in Indian currency consider like as a 750 rupees. So that point of view, such kind of informations are available here. Domestic beer, imported beer and some other, like in a market, like a milk, 1 liter milk price is a 9.44 Danish krona. It's quite cheap. Like egg, rice, local cheese, chicken filter, beef round, apple, banana. So all informations are available here. Even public transportation, one-way ticket for local public transportation is 24 Danish krona. Yes, it's absolutely right, all information. Because of day-to-day activities I am using those one. For the taxi, starting point is a 50 krona, taxi 1 kilometer like a 50 krona, and taxi hourly basis like a 400 euro. Taxi is quite expensive here, but rest of is quite cheap. Utility, as a monthly utility you spend like a 1211, rest of utility gas, electricity, heating, cooling, water and some garbage and some other internet expenses like a 236 krona. Bicycle and license, so fitness club as a monthly gym price is like a 2 for 1 Danish krona. Some other prices like a child care, some child care related informations are available. And as an international school yearly per child like a 44,000 Danish krona. It's not expensive. As a clothes per pair, means you buy one jeans like a 790 Danish krona is a branded piece. Rent for per month in room or apartment like a 6,000, 4,000, 11,900 depend upon accommodation, 1 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 3 bedroom outside center like this. Buy to apartment price, you can buy one single apartment like 3,07,000 accordingly as a square meter price. Everything is available here. Monthly salary you receive 22,950 Danish krona. It's quite simple. So you do same process as it is as like in a simple. So suppose for example you consider like as a Copenhagen price, this is a capital of Denmark. So here all prices are come. You select the price which country you are living. So suppose for example I am living in India, so I select the currency in INR and the particular city. All information display here in INR. That one is quite amazing website to find out cost of living, cost of comparison, cost of calculation, cost of living indexing and some other information. You visit definitely once on that particular website or share this video other person and they can very easily understand for the cost of living any XYZ city in the world. It's quite amazing platform. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.